Welcome back to Cheat Day.
My body is digesting everything that's happening, and I'm also starting to get the meat sweats.
Wow. Madeleine, are you food drunk right now?
I'm unwell.
You're used to seeing us in cute outfits. You aren't used to seeing how disgusting we are when we eat food.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style.
Yes, and welcome back to Cheat Day. You guys, we haven't had a cheat day in so long. We haven't scratched that itch, but today we're doing that by testing TikTokers' favorite foods. And I have Madeleine here. This is her first cheat day ever.
I know, I feel so blessed, so lucky to be part of this iconic series that you guys have done, and what a better introduction for me than to do the TikTokers. TikTok has become my obsession, my hobby, my everything.
Don't count your blessings just yet. This show isn't necessarily notorious for having like the best outcomes ever.
No! Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Gross!
Also, fun fact, Clevver has a TikTok page. You should go follow us. We will link it here in all the places. And they've been posting a lot recently, so become a fan on the TikToks. Did I sound 80 years old? I sounded 80 years old.
How do you do, fellow kids?
All right, so first up, I feel very excited about this one. We are gonna be doing Hyram, Skincare by Hyram. He's big on YouTube, TikTok, all the platforms. He said in one of his day in the life that his favorite food was Kahlua pig.
And today I got one of my favorites with Lau Lau, Kahlua pig, and poi.
Wow, okay.
Isn't it pretty?
This actually looks so good and authentic. The rice too.
I just spilled some on my computer.
Okay, what are you having the bite of first?
I'm gonna have one bite of all of the things, because honestly, I'm a 4-year-old at heart.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers to you. I would like do this, but I would make another mess.
I really like that, wow.
Wow, this is so good.
I never seek out Hawaiian food, and I don't know why. And it actually is very similar to how I eat. I eat like meat, rice, like some slight seasoning, but this is, and it gives you so much food. This could last for breakfast, lunch, dinner, today and tomorrow.
It's kind of confusing because it is Hawaiian, but it doesn't, in my brain, it doesn't compute as Hawaiian. This tastes like Southern barbecue.
This is honestly so good. I don't want to fill up too much on the first one.
That's kind of the trick on cheat day, Madeleine. You have to pace yourself.
Hyram, approved.
You know, I just feel like since we're so connected with him through his favorite food, I think this would be a great opportunity for him to like come hang out with us on Clevver Style, you know?
We'll eat with Hyram and as he does our skincare.
No, thank you, please.
So up next is Brittany Broski's favorite cocktail that she orders at the bar.
Some of you guys might be wondering like who this is, and if you need a little refresher, we're just gonna go ahead and insert the meme.
No. Well.
Yeah, I guess she tweeted it out. Chocolate milk over ice?
So here's the thing, I haven't had chocolate milk in a very long time, but I love drinking everything over ice. Wait, we have 2 different kinds of chomies. That's what I call it.
Oh wait, is yours special? What's yours?
True me, true moo.
Go for the Trumu! It's delicious!
Should we cheers through the cams?
Yeah, cheers.
All right, ready?
Oh my gosh, this tastes so good.
That is delightful. That is just delightful.
What do we do to our adult selves if we don't allow ourselves to buy this at the grocery store?
That is amazing. Okay, is milk good for you or bad for you? I haven't been able to keep up.
I think you shouldn't think about it too very deeply. This is really good. The only problem that I foresee is if you don't drink it all quickly, over time, like if you let it sit for 15 minutes, like what would that taste like, you know? Maybe we should do an experiment and taste it later to see if it melts well.
Or should we do what people do with wine, and we'll do it with frozen grapes? We freeze milk. Milk cubes. We are doing Addison Rae's favorite snack, and apparently it's Chick-fil-A fries. She tweeted that she was the CEO of Chick-fil-A fries.
Wow, that's a like dream job to put on your vision board as a kid.
So I tried Chick-fil-A for the first time in my whole life last year when I was in Kentucky for a month.
Were you transformed, or did you make it out of that experience well?
Oh yeah, I like that they're actually very plain, but then they give you dipping sauces. Okay, my fries are a little bit room temperature, but that is okay. We have to show camera things.
Yeah, camera, as if they've never seen it, this is a waffle fry. Honestly, waffle fries are far superior to any other fry. Some people out there love wedge fries. I don't relate. I don't relate to wedge fries when you can have waffle fries.
These are so good.
These are like kind of the best waffle fries in the game.
Addison Rae is 19, or is she 20? So it's like, she can get away with eating this, but if I ate this every day.
Madeleine, you're like also, are you what, 24? How old are you?
Yeah, I'm also 19, so.
Sup with the whack PlayStation sup.
One of my favorite humans on the planet, maybe next to my husband, is Tabitha Brown. She is the biggest light of joy and sunshine you have ever seen on the TikTok. And she is a very popular vegan connoisseur, if you will. So we are indulging in a jackfruit burrito, which is like one of her classic recipes. And this is from Trejo's Tacos, which I actually have never tried. Have you tried it before, Madeleine?
No, I was just gonna say I'm so excited because Trejo's Tacos is like a very, very famous spot in LA done by Danny Trejo, that's his name, right? Danny?
I'm gonna make a fortune with these.
My body is digesting everything that's happening and I'm also starting to get the meat sweats.
Oh, welcome to the show. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is your first like prized moment of being a cheat day person now.
Oh, that would be such a thing, huh? Like you start to get the meat sweats. That's such a rite of passage.
Yeah, and you start acting a little bit crazy. And like you start like, your body starts moving in directions you never know it would move, and then you have to run to the bathroom. That's coming next. Look forward to it.
Cheers.
This is a very odd computer image. Okay, here we go. Oh. This is good.
Vegans do it right. They make it so that nothing feels like you're missing out on a real burrito, you know?
I've never had jackfruit, so I don't even know what, do you see jackfruit? What does that taste like?
It's very savory. It kind of just tastes like meat, especially mixed with all ingredients like this. Ooh, yes, I'm eating it like corn on the cob, but that's just because I'm looking for I'm trying to get in the middle so I can get the jackfruit.
And he's eating a burrito like he's eating corn on the cob or playing harmonica.
I'm a huge fan of this burrito. I don't know if it's like healthier than normal burritos just because it's vegan, but it's very, very good.
Oh, I'm sure it's healthy. That's what I just keep telling myself. It's very healthy.
That's my business, okay?
Madeleine, are you food drunk right now?
I feel different.
I know people who watch Cheat Day don't realize that we eat so much different stuff. It doesn't all settle well in the gut.
Like I really like food. I don't eat a lot. My body is very confused right now. A lot of different smells, a lot of different foods. Need to learn to pace myself better.
This is Jeremy Scheck's favorite pasta.
This pasta is it's an Italian name.
Cacao e pepe.
Cacio e pepe.
I took 2 years of Italian.
This smell is a little overwhelming for me. Give me your feelings so I feel like I'm on Fear Factor.
This is like one of the good episodes, Madeleine. Okay, it smells like a grill.
You have a perfect little guy right there. Italian, you have some Italian. You guys, I want to show you how sweaty I am.
This is the part of the show where you start to lose your mind, I told you. So Jeremy Scheck loves pasta. Who doesn't? And he loves to teach people how to make easy pasta dishes. This is a cacio e pepe, an Italian favorite. It tastes a little like if you licked a grill with some olive oil. That's kind of what it tastes like. It doesn't taste bad. It just has this very signature smoke burnt kind of like essence.
I don't know if I can do it. I really, really want to be there for Jeremy and I really want to lean into his choices, but I'm feeling a little sick.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God. It's gonna get really gross. I'm sorry, Madeleine. You're used to seeing us in cute outfits. You aren't used to seeing how disgusting we are when we eat food.
All right, next we have one of our favorite TikTok stars, Dixie D'Amelio. And apparently her favorite snack are not just Lucky Charms, but simply just the marshmallows.
I hate Lucky Charms.
Really?
I hate them. I love a Captain Crunch with berries. I love a Fruit Loop. I love all sugary, fruity cereals. But this one is not, it makes me, those marshmallows are so gross. They taste like dirt.
When you're a kid, you love dirt. So it makes sense because this is like the most kid cereal. I will say my Postmate got me a family size box, giant size.
Oh, that's so generous.
I will be eating these for a while and basically turn into Dixie.
This is like my least favorite thing to eat this whole episode. One silly cereal marshmallow.
Okay, I have a question. What the hell is that shape? Like, the shapes are so whack. Like, this is a mush, but I'll eat it.
Maybe it's the shape of a leprechaun.
It's a shooting star. That's a lie.
Oh, of course. How could you mistake that?
I was never allowed to buy or have sugary cereals. Were you?
No, I had no autonomy over cereal choices in my house, and I'm still not over it.
I'm not gonna eat this and be like, oh my God, I'm blown away.
But if you just consistently eat the marshmallows over and over again, it really starts to make you feel unwell.
Oh yeah, like you have like Christmas sweaters on your teeth.
That's disgusting!
So we had to end on the biggest note that you can end on a TikTok food video. Charli D'Amelio's favorite drink at Dunkin' Donuts. She did a collab with them this year. It is a cold brew, ice cold brew with whole milk and 3 pumps of caramel swirl.
Ice, milk, and a bit of cold brew. 1, 2, 3 with the caramel.
Madeleine, have you tried it yet?
No, I've been so excited about this one because I went to go order it a few weeks ago, but then I was gonna go pick it up, but then it was like a little too far and then I got lazy. So I've just been like, I wanna try it, but I haven't had the means. And now is my first sip and I'm like really excited.
It's really good. And I'm not even exaggerating. It's like one of my favorite coffee drinks. Like, oh, you don't like it. Oh, you don't like it.
It's so sweet. I'm taking it all in.
I love a sweet drink.
Same. No, here's the thing. I love a sweet drink. My typical coffee order is a cold brew with oat milk. I'll do like a little liquid stevia, so I'm used to like a very specific taste of sweet. And then this is like pretty sugary from the caramel syrup. I'm just a little overwhelmed, I think, because I'm also a little food drunk.
Yeah, if you've paced yourself and weaned yourself off of sugary coffee drinks and then you try this, it will take you way back in time. It's very strong. And now I will say Dunkin' Donuts cold brew is my least favorite cold brew of all the cold brews in the land. But I do feel like because of the whole milk and the caramel, it kind of gives it some like body, some, you know, robustness.
You know what? I kind of take it back. I actually kind of love this. Yeah, I needed to mix it around because that first sip always gives you a weird like flavor combination. But when you mix it, the caramel is actually quite nice. I'm getting already phlegmy from the whole milk and all my hysterical laughing over my meat sweats.
You survived. How did you feel? Was this as good as you thought it would be?
I know, guys, it was my first cheat day. How did I do? I mean, don't answer that because I definitely didn't do it correctly. I'm learning a lot about myself in the process. I'm gonna pace myself next time. I wanna do it again.
Well, let's give it 2 hours, then we'll check back in with your gut and see if you still think that you wanna do it again.
Yeah, but you know, it was fun because these are all foods I would have never tried before and I love TikTok, so what a great combo.
All right, well, that's it. We made it.
We did it.
Did we miss anybody? Are there more TikTokers that should have made this list for us? Let us know down below. We want to know for part 2.
We want to know, and I want to be in part 2. Thank you.